What's up, people? I'm here at the train station at UNC Charlotte. This is where the train ends into the Lime. And the weird thing is, there is a student on the train. With some kind of mister, spraying some kind of mist of whatever kind throughout the inside. Looks like he's got like this whole backpack rig and some kind of gun that sprays the aerosol. Kind of an odd job for a student. Huh. Really strange. I just thought I'd film that. I hope everybody's having a good day. That's the first for me to see that kind of treatment being done. I thought on the news they said these mists and stuff didn't work, but whatever. Everybody have a great day. Hope you stay safe. Hope everybody's getting through this crap the best they can. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. And peace out till next time, folks.